Good morning everyone, Michael here from Car Crazy again. Right, today I'm going to show you my camper conversion that I promised I'd show everyone. It's all made, as you can probably see I've got the pipes here and the boards. There's 4 of them, 2 smaller ones and 2 larger ones. Right, and how it works, obviously after folding the seats down, which I've already done. Right, let's just put that there a minute. Right, on the back, to the back of the boards like that, these pipes. I've got little adjustable feet on here, so I can adjust them to get them nice and straight and level. They just simply plug into here, like that. Just push them in there. Like that. That's all we have to do with them. So I'm going to just put these pipes into here. In the right order. Right. So I have on the big board, I've got 2 big boards. I've got long and short pipe there. On this end, I think I've got this right. That's 2 long pipes, like that, and just push into there, like that, and then that end, 2 short pipes, like that. That's a bit tight, that's it, make sure it's gone in alright. So I think that's alright. Right, so that's like that. Right, I'll do the others. Right, that's one in like that. I'll do the next one. One in there. One in there. Very easy, and they just come out after. Like that. I've also actually made this, so these little clamp things where these pipes go in are slightly below the line level of this, so you can pull them out after. I shall have some clips, they'll just clip in under there and all the boards can be stacked. As you can see, I've got some marks where I've moved the things, I'd rearranged it because I'd got them in the wrong place originally, and anyway, so they're like that. Right, we'll put the next one on over there. There you go, that drops in there like that. And then we'll do the same with these ones, the next one. These next ones, as you can see, they're square. They're smaller. The reason I've done that, if I want, I can have the seats up and just have these 2 panels in the front here, so I can have that as a shelf to put things on and keep the seats up. That's why I got them different sizes. Right, let's do this one now. These are pipes all the same size, there's 4 of them, the same. Push them into here. That's it. Right, like that. That's it. Right, and that's that the right way round. And these 4. That's for the other side. Right, let's leave that there for a minute. There for a minute. There you go, that one's in there like that. I've just got one more to do. This one the same. Right, let's pop that one in place. That's it. And there you have it. And what I can do, if I need to, just adjust these, just turn these, and I can get it exactly level. It's not quite there, so I would have to just adjust it. I'm not going to bother now, but I can just lift it up like that then, just by adjusting their little feet to get it exactly in place. And that's it. That's as easy as that. Just takes a couple of minutes, and like this, I've got all this storage space under here, all open. And what I should do, of course, is get a mattress. I haven't got a mattress yet. I should get a nice mattress to put on there. And this from end to end here is 170 centimetres. So if I just fold the seats, push the front seats back, they'll go back quite a long way. I'll get a mattress on there, and sleep the head this end, and I can have the feet dangling out that end. And that's it. Basically what I've done, I just made it like a wooden frame. I'll lift it up. What I've done here, I made just a wooden frame and put a board on. It's about 8 or 10 mil thick board screwed onto it. And then I've got this black carpet. This black carpet is actually what you use for like speaker boxes in cars. So I bought that and put that on there to cover it. It's the same colour as the car. It all matches then. And just stapled with a staple gun and just folded it over. I put some strips of tape like that across the on the other side. Then stuck this down, hold it in place, and then just folded it over and staple gunned it into place. And that's it. And then obviously fit these clamp things on here and just screw on and put the feet on. Now that's the adjuster, and just adjust it as you want then to tweak it. It's also good if the car isn't totally level. If you're on the ground that's slightly off level, you can just simply level it up, bring a spirit level with you, lay it on there and just adjust them and get it nice and level. And afterwards, when you've finished, of course, I haven't got yet, but I will get some little like clips where they can just clip in underneath here. They'll stay in place, and of course all these panels can just stack up on top of each other ever so easy, because these are lower than the panel, so they'll fit down inside there, out of the way. I'll put them in the middle here like that. Just have a little clip where they just clip in there like that and hold in place, and then all the panels can lay on top of each other, so easy for storage. And but yeah, like I say, these front panels are square, they're shorter, whereas the back ones are sort of rectangular, longer. But yeah, like I said, I made that so I can have the seats up without them back panels, and just have these front panels, so I can have a shelf. I can have it like a shelf if I want to put things on and under. So that's why I've done it like that. It's pretty easy to make. I made it so it's squared, and I didn't make it so it goes right up to the edge, because I thought there's absolutely no need for that. I'm going to lay a mattress down anyway, I'll find one that goes edge to edge, or if I can't find a right size mattress, I might make one. I'll get some memory foam or something and make one. Haven't decided yet. If I can find one that's the right size, that would be great. But if I can't, maybe I shall make a mattress. I'll see. But yeah, that's it. That's as easy as that. It probably took me, I don't know how long it took me to make them. I suppose one day. We're sort of thinking how I'm going to put it, and then like sizing it up in the car and checking where I need to put the these clamps for the pipes to get them in the right place. First time I made a mistake actually, I got them in the wrong place, some of them, so I had to readjust them. But even so, probably if you've got a day, if you've got all the materials, you've got one day, you could easily make it without too much hassle. They're pretty simple, they're not that heavy, but there's probably other ways of making it. There may be better ways, but this is how I've chose to do it, because it allowed me to take them out of the car easily and store them, or I can even keep them in the car stored flat. So that's why I've gone for this method, rather than like a frame that probably takes up a lot of space. I've gone for this. Yeah, so that's about it for there. Oh, just in case anyone's interested, I got these seat heater covers. It's just basically, well, as you can see, it's a thin cushion, but it heats up and it just plugs into the thing there. There's a little control unit. That's got your high and low. And that heat the seats. Because I didn't have heated seats in here, and I didn't want to pay a lot more money for the next model up just to get heated seats and a few extras that I didn't need. So I went for this model and just put these in. I got them on Amazon. They're not expensive at all, but you can get them from your local car shop as well, I suppose. But yeah, I got a pair of them. They come as a pair, so you've got one control unit for both seats for the left and right. That's that. It's very easy. You just simply lay them on, just clip them in place, and a few clips, and that's it. So I thought I'd show you that for anyone interested. If you haven't got heated seats, you want a cheap way of getting heated seats, I recommend doing this. Like that. In summer, you don't need heated seats, so it's easy. You can just take them out, and they're not going to be in the way. So for anyone who's interested, yeah, you can get them either on Amazon or your local car spare shop, and just simply lay them on, clip them in place, you're done. Right, that's it for today. I'm hoping to do some snow driving videos, but we haven't had much snow. We had a little dusting of snow yesterday. At the minute it's freezing cold, but no snow. But I'll just show you the view. I don't know if you can see the mountains over there. Everything's covered in snow up there, but unfortunately we haven't got anything much down to village level. We had a little dusting yesterday, but that's all gone now. But hopefully we'll get some snow soon, and as soon as we do, I'm going to do a snow driving video with this car. So just look out for that. And oh, by the way, I also have another channel for anyone who doesn't know. It's called Shizen Japan, and I should put some videos on there, ski videos, because I go skiing in winter, and so I'll put up some ski videos on that channel. It's called Shizen Japan, so please check that out as well. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the like, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe, hit the bell icon, then you'll know when I do some more uploads. So I'm hoping to get some snow videos this month, but it's really waiting on snow. If we get snow, I'll do some. If we don't, obviously I can't. But I hope to go skiing maybe next week or the week after, and I should do some ski videos then. So look out for those as well. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to be back very soon. Thank you. Bye.